XRP is seeing a massive rebound as we speak off of bottom support that we just had yesterday within a massive bull flag formation, potentially going to see a 40% rally in the very near future. On top of XRP seeing that, we're also seeing a potential breakout as we speak within Solana, which is absolutely insane. Just yesterday, we made a video talking about both XRP as well as Solana potentially starting to see that bull rally happen after we break out of our bull flag formation. We made this video less than 24 hours ago talking about XRP Ripple holders, 40% rally or 40% bull rally imminent for XRP and even Solana as massive gains are to come. And as you guys can see here, we've pretty much completed or are starting to complete it. You can see yesterday's video where we drew in the thumbnail here, we were inside a descending fractal, pretty much retesting the bottom support on this right here. Yesterday's candle saw a massive leap to the upside here, which is extremely exciting if you ask me. Pretty much where we started yesterday was right around bottom support here at about 56 cents, and we've now recovered and reversed all the way up to 61 cents, which is a huge, and I mean a huge reversal in regards to price range. That's almost, let's get a quick little mark here. We actually saw an 11, almost 12% rally just yesterday, which is insane as we are continuing to play out this beautiful bull flag formation here. We're getting very close to seeing that confirmation breach up top above this major downtrend here, which will then be able to buy in and long XRP to the upside. We're also going to be doing something very similar to Solana, which could have started as early as just a couple of hours ago, which means we have time to get in now if you want to play a little risky of a trade. And we're going to go over both these two cryptocurrencies in a minute with you guys. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, let me know in the comments if you like what we did in yesterday's video. Basically, we discussed that we are going to be separating, XRP, Solana, as well as the stock market, Ethereum, and Bitcoin into separate videos, basically a morning and an afternoon update. Mornings are going to talk about XRP, Solana, and the S&P 500, and then the afternoons will be about Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as the S&P 500. You can see we've separated these videos here, where we have an ascending, broadening wedge in Bitcoin, and we have a descending fractal within XRP as well, or sorry, a bull flag within XRP as well as Solana. So there's a lot of important updates we do have to go over in today's video or in today's episodes here, but you can see off the bat, markets are up almost 7% as we expected this continued rally to the upside, probably off the news in regards to the exchange traded funds that are potentially coming out within the SEC, approving them, which is pretty nuts if you ask me. The fear and greed index is currently 74, so we have plenty of room to continue to head upwards here. But you can see Bitcoin is up 8.5% on the week, 4.5% in regards to the past 24 hours. Ethereum is exploding as well, 10.7%, up 17.86. But what we need to focus on today is XRP and Solana. Solana is up almost 11% in the day, with XRP following right behind, almost 10% in the day as well. It is absolutely mad. Now, it's not that difficult. We talked about this just the other day here, as you can trade not only inside ascending, broadening wedges, but you can also trade inside bull flags within cryptocurrencies. And what I mean by that is we have two ways of trading on these cryptos. I just want to show you what this looks like here. Typically, what we see is it's kind of predictable when we start to see these bull flag formations here, and that's why we were able to enter trades, which obviously, if you guys want to check out the trades that we're currently in, make sure to check out my Patreon, which is linked down in the description below for you guys to get my trades early before they hit YouTube, so make sure to check that out ASAP. But as you guys can see, simply put, these kind of bull flag formations here are very typical, and it gives us opportunity. It makes it predictable as well as to what could happen here. We have flag pulls as well as a flag itself, and then a breakout to the upside here. Conservatively, the buy-in would be on breakout here, but predictably, we end up hitting bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. And if we're at the bottom, it's a good opportunity to buy in and long to the upside. And when we hit the top, it's a good opportunity to short to the downside here. So there were easy, predictable opportunities and easy, predictable trades that we were able to take advantage of over the past couple of days here. You got to be patient, obviously. But as you can see here, we've even drawn it out with the, you can see here the Elliott impulse wave here, the 5-point Elliott impulse. You can see here consistently each time we've topped off, hit bottom, topped off, and hit bottom consistently here. obviously over time, a lot of you guys were commenting, oh, I keep changing my charts, so on and so forth here. I haven't been changing them that much. And because cryptocurrency isn't a closed system, things are constantly changing and being manipulated. We do have to slightly tweak things to better favor our price predictions here. And with that, we discussed that we had a solid resistance up top here, but bottom support was a bit more difficult to trade on. However, what we did notice after tweaking it ever so slightly, that we have pretty much confirmed where this bottom resistance was, or bottom support was, and we're able to use this to potentially help us swing to the upside here. Now, as you guys can see, we were creating these downtrends, the top resistances, kind of this movement here. We were creating lower highs as well as lower lows, and as we continue to spiral lower here, we've been able to buy in long, sell in short, so on and so forth, capitalizing and off predictions like, oh, we hit top, good chance we'll fall to the bottom, and vice versa. Once we hit top, good chance we can short to the bottom. And as we've been playing around with this bottom support, we knew that we weren't going to be breaking down just yet. And there's a good chance of a possible reversal to the upside here, which we were able to take advantage of. So not only that, we also have to look at Solana, which could be potentially breaking out as we speak. But before we even jump into that, we do have, when we do decide to trade, we do use BidFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use. We, as in my friend and I, who likes to trade on this, but, specifically me, we've been using BidFi. I've been using BidFi specifically for over 2.5 years. They've been an incredible exchange here. You can see I have Solana pulled up clear as day here with this descending fractal on the 6-hour price chart. And we pretty much confirmed closure above this downtrend literally just a couple of hours ago here. So if you want to get in for a, more moderate to aggressive trade, you can take advantage of that on BidFi with the link down in the description below. On top of that, BidFi is even offering multiple rewards for new users, $100 USDT for signing up, $200 USDT for depositing, and another $200 USDT for trading. So new users can earn up to $500 and free bonus cryptocurrency by signing up with that link down in the description below. This is your time to shine. Make sure to go check it out down in the description. Go claim your free cryptocurrency and make some free trades with free crypto. You get the bonus money, and whatever you can, profit off of on the bonus money, you get to keep and withdraw, which is super cool. So make sure to check it out down in the description ASAP. Not only that, they have welcome rewards and a demo trading account, which means you can earn over $2,000 in free rewards on top of the incentive $500 bonus right here. And they even have a demo account, which allows you to trade around with sample or monopoly money cryptocurrency on XRP, as well as Solana here, where you can stop short, you can create limit orders, take profits, long, short, pretty much get familiar with the platform and BidFi, and then you can trade around with that real crypto. So make sure to check it out down in the description below. But anyways, jumping back into the markets here to quickly update Solana's position here. You can see we've been tracking a beautiful descending fractal bull flag formation on Solana for quite some time, and you can just see as of today we decided to break it. Now, typically, if we wanted to capitalize off a movement like this, what we would be waiting for would be a break. We can move this down here and say, okay, this is day 2 now of breakout pretty much here. You can see the descending fractal here, and we pretty much confirmed it yesterday closure with the swing today. So, if you want to play it moderate, yesterday or last night would have been that opportunity to buy in as we are continuing to break up today because we've confirmed closure above the bull flag formation. But this, yet again, was another very easy and simple buy-in opportunity. We've drawn bull flags in the past year, and you can go back on previous episodes that we've had here where we've mentioned Solana here, whether yesterday or we made a full dedicated video just 2 days ago here talking about how Solana was due for a break to the upside here. I'm going to pull it up super quickly as we went in depth about Solana specifically here as we charted it for everybody, talking about how we're due to break as we were bottoming off support here, retesting the bottom support off this uptrend here. It's an easy buy-in opportunity because we typically have been rebounding off this beautiful daily uptrend here on Solana. And you can see clear as day, that's what we spoke about. We literally drew it in just yesterday as we would rebound off this and consolidate into something even bigger here. We then drew on a descending fractal, and you can see we pretty much showed this was literally 2 days ago, January 8th. It's the 11th here. This is the pattern that we predicted just a couple of days ago here, and you can see we're already starting to play out, and we're already starting to break out of this beautiful downtrend that we drew. So it's pretty incredible that we're already starting to do what we call just a couple of days later. It's very simple, and it was a very easy trade. You can see why we've slightly tweaked this up higher when we look at the 4-hour, but on the daily, we're pretty much good to breach. We were good to break. So things look good across the board here. it's definitely an opportunity to get in on and trade and long to the upside here. Obviously, trades are posted on Patreon for you guys to take advantage of here, but I'm very excited to see this long position take place here. Again, we've pretty much confirmed it on the daily. It depends on how you want to look at this. If I was to look at the daily, I'd move it like this, and we've pretty much confirmed that last night for us to continue to spiral up. And this might take a few days, but we're really looking for what we saw here to happen again. And we can pretty much get a rough idea of this if we take that, put it to breakout here. We're expecting to retest about 140 on Solana, which would be a price range, a percentage break of about 60%, a 60% rally, which just started as of this morning. It is not too late to get in, so make sure to take advantage of that, as well as XRP. Now, the thing with XRP is we haven't confirmed that breakout yet. This is a massive bull flag forming here. You can see Solana's was much shorter. It started on December 25th, while XRP started on November 7th here. So a much bigger overall descending fractal bull flag formation here, which will also result in a much bigger rally to the upside here. While we're waiting on XRP, we already saw the recovery beautifully off this. Now what we're waiting for is a breach above this beautiful yellow downtrend for us to buy in and long to the upside. So once that happens, we'll be able to buy in and long to the upside. As for the S&P, we're causing that consolidation as we expected here. You can see I've drawn in blue my price prediction, which has been pretty much on point to the dot, which is nuts here. And you can see we're now entering this consolidative phase, and that's what we're doing right now. I don't know how long this is going to last. It could be a couple days. It could be a long time. I don't know. But at the end of this, that's the opportunity where we're going to continue to break up and swing to the upside here as we consolidate. We will cool off, as we're already starting to do on the daily relative strength indicator, and it will result in a breakout. So I'm excited. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, sign up to BidFi, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.